我想跟你说，却害怕不说会好心疼你，知不知道
？Let's talk about I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all.